Hi everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Charles Schwab account online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.schwab.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of Charles Schwab. The Charles Schwab Corporation is an American multinational financial service company. It offers banking, investing, and related service including consulting and wealth management, commercial banking, and much more. Once you end up on this page, if you don't have an account yet, you can click on Open an Account button and follow through the prompts. If you already have an account, simply go ahead and pick one of the area where you would want to end up and then type in your login ID associated with your account in the text box at the top. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you're having trouble logging in since you've forgotten your user ID or your password, click the Forgot Login ID or the password link in order to look for your credentials. Finally, after filling in the details, click the Login button and you'll be able to log into your Schwab.com account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.